Good morning, guys. So as you can tell by the title, we're going to make some rice paper bacon because I have an itch for bacon and I don't got any, but I have everything else to make the rice paper bacon. So I'm going to use, now this, I'm going to leave a link to the original recipe down below. I'm tweaking it because I didn't personally care for the original recipe. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of, what is that? Avocado oil. That's what it is. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of that. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce because I'm getting really low on tamari, or I'd use that. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons, oh, that broke apparently. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of maple syrup because, well, I like maple bacon. I love maple bacon. So we're going to make this more of a maple bacon. Yeah, and of course I did that because that's just how life works. Let's set that aside. I'll wash that in a second. Alright. Now I'm going to add in three tablespoons of nutritional yeast, or give or take 3. Okay. I'm going to add in some garlic powder to this. It's probably about a teaspoon. Then I'm going to go a teaspoon of, garlic powder as well. About a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika for some more smoky flavor. And I'm going to use some liquid smoke as well. Once I can get it open, there we go. I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Okay, now let's give that a stir and let's see how this looks. Oh yes. Okay. Now, give me a moment while I clean this up. Okay, so now what you want to do is take your rice paper. Let me wipe my scissors off here. Okay, so you want to, first of all, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now you're going to cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes. But you really do have to watch it because it burns quite fast because, well, it's rice paper. Anybody who's cooked with rice paper knows how fast it can burn. Okay. Now I just have little rice paper sheets because I use these for fresh rolls and stuff like that. And I have a bowl of warm water and a bowl of my marinade here. I'm just going to show you the one. So I'm going to stick that there. You want 2 sheets of rice paper. We're just going to cut it. Oh, that one broke. That's okay. Okay, so then you want to take it, and I have my parchment sheet, cookie sheets right behind me. Take it, dip it into water, try and shake as much of that water off as you can. And then over into the marinade. Make sure it's all covered and coated and happy. Shake some of it off. And right over to the cookie sheet. like so. Now I'm just going to get these sheets all filled up and we'll be right back. Actually, here, I'll show you what to do with the broken ones. It's pretty nice because you're working with rice paper. So you just want to dip it into that water. And if you can actually make them stick back together into the marinade. Like so. And then onto the cookie sheet. And there we go. That easy. Okay, so I'll be back in a second for you. Okay, and once they are done and you got them out of the oven, get them onto a cooling rack so they don't keep cooking. Now mine got slightly burnt. Why? Because I needed to pee. Okay. So you want to get them off there. And then if you can, oh yeah. Loosen them up. You put them right on the cooling rack, which is what I'm going to do, so that way they kind of firm up a little bit. Because these will. And my smoke detector is cheering me on, so I'll be right back. Okay, now that my cheering squad is shut up. Gosh, I hate that. That thing does that every time I turn on my oven, I swear. Okay, so you can see they're already firming up nicely. You can see some of them are a little soft still. That's okay, I'll just let them sit for a bit longer. But, okay, let me find a better one. This one, let's go with this one. Doesn't that look like a beautiful piece of bacon? Or even this one. Okay, let's give this a try. Oh. Yep, that is so much better. It's not as salty, and it's definitely not as greasy. This is good. So, I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.